Today we're going to talk about how you can achieve a glow-up like Kiyotaka Ayanokoji. While he's a fictional character from Classroom of the Elite, there are some valuable lessons we can take from his personality, lifestyle, and mindset to improve ourselves in real life. 1. Master emotional control. Ayanokoji rarely shows his emotions, and that's a skill we can all benefit from. Emotional control helps you stay calm under pressure, think clearly, and make better decisions. If you find yourself reacting impulsively to situations, practice mindfulness or breathing exercises. When you learn to control your emotions, you gain an edge over those who let emotions dictate their actions. 2. Focus on self-improvement. Ayanokoji is always working on bettering himself. Whether it's academically, physically, or mentally, set personal goals and commit to achieving them. Whether it's learning new skills, hitting the gym, or reading more books, focus on becoming the best version of yourself every day. 3. Stay low-key, but sharp. Ayanokoji doesn't seek attention, and this is something many can learn from. You don't have to broadcast your achievements or seek validation from others. Instead, let your actions speak for you. Work on improving yourself quietly and surprise everyone with your growth. 4. Keep your circle small. Ayanokoji carefully chooses who he interacts with. This teaches us to be selective about who we allow into our lives. Surround yourself with people who inspire, motivate, and challenge you to become better. A small supportive circle is far more powerful than a large group of superficial connections. 5. Cultivate a strong mindset. Ayanokoji's strength lies in his mindset. He's strategic, impatient, and doesn't get swayed by emotions or pressure. To glow up like him, develop mental toughness. Start by setting small challenges for yourself and pushing through them. Over time, this will build resilience and discipline. 6. Stay fit and healthy. Ayanokoji is physically fit, which gives him an advantage in physical challenges. Prioritize your health and fitness by incorporating regular exercise and a balanced diet into your routine. When you feel good physically, it boosts your confidence and energy levels. 7. Keep a mysterious aura. Ayanokoji never reveals all his cards, which keeps people intrigued. You don't have to share every detail of your life. Keep some things to yourself. It not only makes you more interesting, but also gives you a sense of control over your narrative. 8. Adaptability is key. Ayanokoji can adapt to different situations, whether it's dealing with people or solving problems. Life is unpredictable, and the ability to adapt is crucial. Keep an open mind, be flexible, and learn to thrive in new or challenging environments. Fall into place. A true glow-up is not just about looking good on the outside, but about feeling powerful, confident, and in control on the inside. Just like Ayanokoji, it's about being calm, calculated, and constantly improving yourself, all while maintaining a humble, low-key presence. So if you want to glow up like Ayanokoji, start working on your mindset, stay disciplined, and keep striving for excellence. The transformation will happen before you know it. And the best part, you won't need to seek validation from anyone because you'll know you've become the best version of yourself. Thank you for watching, and remember, the real glow-up happens within.